Staying connected with your clients shouldn't depend on manual follow-ups, phone calls, or remembering who to contact and when. With Salonist automation, you can automatically send messages, reminders, promotional offers, and follow-ups to the clients through WhatsApp, SMS, or email, based on their appointments and activity. This helps you stay connected with clients after their visit, encourage repeat bookings, and keep engagement running in the background while your team focuses on daily operation. In this lesson, we'll walk you through how messaging automation works inside Salonist and how to create automated campaigns for your clients. So let's get started. From your dashboard, head over to Sales Tools. Inside here, you'll find a complete set of tools designed to help you improve customer retention, build loyalty, and create stronger client engagement. Everything related to promotions, communication, and retention can be managed from here. Now open Automation. This is where all your automated campaigns live. Inside the section, you can create and manage automated messages that are sent to clients automatically after appointments, based on the conditions you choose. You'll also see your existing campaigns already listed here. For example, VIP campaigns, re-engagement campaigns, promotional messages, or we miss you campaigns designed to bring clients back. Now let's create a new automation together. Click Create New. Start by entering a new name for the automation. For this example, let's call it Tomorrow Reminder. Next, choose which services this campaign applies to. For example, clients who completed services like Botox, protein, classic manicure, or French manicure. You can select one service or multiple services depending on your campaign goals. This gives you more flexibility to create personalized follow-ups for different service categories. Now let's choose when the message should be sent. Inside Send to Clients, you can define the timing. For example, 1 day after, 3 days after, 1 week after, or 15 days after, or even several months later, depending on your retention strategy. For example, if clients completed their appointments today, you may want to automatically send them a reminder tomorrow, or maybe reconnect after a week with a promotional offer. Everything depends on the experience you want to create. Now enter your message. For example, there's a 5% discount for the next session. Messages can be promotional, reminder-based, re-engagement campaigns, or follow-ups encouraging clients to return. Next, choose how the messages will be delivered. You can send it through SMS, WhatsApp, or email depending on your preferred communication channel. And if you'd like to encourage repeat bookings even further, you can also enable a discount code. Simply activate the option, choose the discount value, and add your code. Clients can later redeem this promotion while booking or purchasing online. Once everything looks good, simply click Save. And that's it. Your automation is now active and ready to run automatically. From now on, Salonist handles communication for you automatically, helping you stay connected with clients without additional manual work. Because sometimes a simple follow-up message is all it takes to bring clients back. Now your communication stays automated, your clients stay engaged, and your retention strategy keeps working in the background.